weapons helicopter. It will replace the AH-1B as the primary armed helicopter in Vietnam. Built around AH-1B dynamic components, blades, transmission, engine, and drive system. With a Huey COBRA, 36 inches wide, armor protection for crew and vital aircraft components, a tandem cockpit, pilot stationed in the rear, complete IFR avionics, a Mark 8 sight for rocket fire control, the co-pilot gunner up front, a flexible sight to control the Emerson turret. 8,000 round 7.62 ammunition load directly behind the turret. Small swept wings with standard bomb shackles can carry 14, 28, 38, or a maximum load of 76 folding fin rockets. Each XM-159 rocket launcher holding 19 2.75-inch rockets. The same bomb shackles can also carry XM-18 pods, each housing a minigun and 1,500 rounds of ammunition. Further, mixed ordnance is possible. On an escort mission, the Huey COBRA has a 50% cruise speed advantage over the troop transport helicopters. Can detach and engage a threat. Mach 102 turret mounts a 7.62 minigun, giving a dual firing rate of 800 or 4,000 rounds.